My name is Kayla Renfro, and this is the benefits of recycling. Recycling is a way of giving back to the earth. EPA.gov says it benefits jobs, the environment, and helps making new products using recycled materials. The benefits outweigh the negatives. Recycling supplies reused materials. The revenue increases by millions. The air, the soil, and the energy improves also. Stanford.edu says recycling brings jobs and good wages to the country. The sanitation crews would have to hire more people if recycling materials were added. Towns have even added special days for recycling pickups. It requires people to sort through the material and separate it into groups of the same things, then sent to the manufacturers to reuse, and marketing teams to get the recycled products to sell. Not to mention the revenue from the stores selling the reused material. Cities throughout the country have built recycling centers to drop off materials. That requires jobs to keep the centers running. Recycling creates jobs for the entire process. The court system and the recycling center uses inmates, trustees, people who need to do community service, and volunteer work to sort through the recycled materials. Not only do jobs get created, the environment benefits greatly. CAWrecycles.org states that for every ton of paper recycled, it saves 17 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. By recycling, it saves new materials from having to be used and from going to landfills to be used as decomposition. By reusing these materials, we are saving them from being used in the future and reducing pollution for the future also. If more people are recycled, less landfills and incinerators will need to be built. By using recycled material, less energy is required to manufacture the materials rather than using new materials. Water can also be recycled and sent to homes and water suppliers throughout the country. The products that are made from reused materials are numerous. GwinnettCB.org says steel cans recycle into different appliances, phone books into insulation, and plastic soft drink bottles into sleeping bags. Paper bags can be used as cardboard. Computer paper can make sanitary products, and that's just a few of the things that can be reused and put back into daily life. By reusing one certain material, many different things can be made. SaveMobile.org says 99% of an electronic device can be recycled. Reusing materials with all aspects of product marketing. If recycling continues to grow the way it is growing now, the benefits will continue to get greater. Ecocycle.org predicts that by 2030, over 1 million jobs will have been created due to recycling. The economy will have been greatly increased by the millions, and the environment will have improved by reducing the pollution put into the air, simply due to recycling materials. All it takes is sorting items together before putting them into the trash, like water bottles, cardboard boxes, and aluminum cans. Once they are separated, they can be taken to one of the recycling centers around the country. For example, here locally in Albertville, every person that lives in the city limits was provided with a blue recycling can that is picked up every other week and taken to the Albertville Recycling Center. GM, Allen Company, and Activewear by Patagonia are all companies that sell recycled goods and are profiting by the millions.